The cooperation between our university and the Helmut Schmidt University will open doors for students to come and do some other internship here. I like the experience because it make us go to practical stage easily because of the accessibility to the machine, availability of information, and and we can apply what we've learned in Tunis or in the first week of this internship.
Did like most our work as a team, and we are here with the machine functional in the end of the workshop. Yes, the most beautiful feeling.
I really enjoyed these machines because I learned how to use the laser cutter, the CNC milling, the implement, the 3D printing. So this is it.
We learned many things because at first we started with a lecture in the morning, then have a workshop, then finally we work in the assembly of the laser due. This is really important part because we learned electrics and mechanical, computer science, all these things that we have learned in the lecture and practiced it in the workshop. Then to build finally the laser due.
I like the workshop because I think that this opportunity is special because we don't have the opportunity to do such big machines in Tunisia because we don't have the material, security staffs. Also, I had the chance to visit a new country, to discover another culture, to meet new people, to work in team and exchange knowledge with others. We had a lot of great times, we laughed a lot, we cried sometimes. But when we see the machine working, we were so happy.
The thing that we liked, one of the things that we like the most is working with Daniele Ingracia. He's very motivating person and lets you, push you to do more and more, and he's very experienced and give you some great knowledge, yes.
Actually, we learned a lot in this workshop. Not just I learned in electronics, mechanicals, everything, and that will help me a lot in my education. And not just that, when we was working on this machine, Daniele was keep saying you should focus, use your brain. When you have an objective, you should focus on it. Work is work, and it was really an amazing experience, and we learned a lot. Not just technical skills, but always we learned that when you do something, you should believe on it. You should believe, and just you can do it.
So I think it's a very good workshop because we are building a new type of technology, new open source machine. We are now, I think, we are practicing the open source in the open source way. That's what I want to say.
First of all, thanks to the Hermos University to bringing me here. And the workshop was an amazing experience because we tried to replicate what you see in the big background in just 1 month. This means that we built everything from scratch and we assembled it together with 8 students from FabLab Enit and Tunisian network. So I'm quite happy because this for me is more like a dream rather than a technological achievement, because behind this machine there is the freedom of a maker that is able to know what is inside the machine, that is able to know how the process of building such machine works and how this could be replicated by others. So this machine has been built keeping in mind the toolset that you can find in the FabLab network. So this means I built this machine in Camp Limford near Düsseldorf, and now we are able to replicate with the same toolset this machine here in Hamburg. So my aim is that in the future such kind of machines can have sustainable fundings to be developed, and that the end user will be aware of the process in a way that it will be detached from the market. So if one piece of the machine breaks, it can reproduce the part itself and fix the machine by itself. Also, this is particularly true for other countries which maybe don't have enough resources to purchase a commercial machine and so on. So this is for me just the beginning of a big dream in which I would like to build many more machines and to create and build my own future.